everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in a different location right now. I am currently with Guardian Malaysia at Avilion Portixon. We are here for like a media retreat kind of thing. One of the things that we need to do is actually to unbox this freaking box. This box is actually in collaboration with Shopee, if I'm not mistaken. I am super excited to definitely dig into this. We do have a letter. I don't know what letter is this. Do we have a voucher? If I have a voucher, that'd be great. Let me check. Oh, it's a freaking long it's a freaking long letter. I don't think I get to. Wow, okay. First, we received the Guardian Mystery Box. We launched in conjunction with our Shopee 1010. Oh yeah, okay, so which means that this box, Guardian Mystery Box, is actually in conjunction with their Shopee 1010 mega sales. 1010 is coming. I mean, if you guys don't know, 99, 1010, 1111, 1212. It's crazy. The sales are crazy. So you guys need to go and check it out. Apparently, it will start on obviously October 10. You can buy Guardian products on Shopee at 70% off. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. In addition, you can also buy Guardian Mystery Box like the one you have received. You can choose two type of boxes, so there's two different type of boxes. One at a price at 10, but will have the product in it worth at least 120 ringgit. What? So 120 ringgit worth of products and you just gotta pay for 10 ringgit. That is insane. That's wait, you guys are dropping again. That's insane. 120 ringgit worth of products just by paying 10 ringgit. That's crazy. And the other box actually priced at 19 ringgit, but the product's worth at least 200 ringgit. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay, excited. I don't know what box did I get. I don't know if it's 10 or 19. Is it correct? 19? Yeah, I believe so. But it feels pretty, not super heavy, but it has a weight to it, okay? Let's open it up. Very excited. I'm definitely one of those that open presents like this. Ta-da! Wait, is this in the right order? Yeah, it is in the right order. Ooh, we have so much stuff in here. Okay, that's just fuzzy stuff. So we're gonna remove all the fuzzy stuff. I shall not make a mess of this room because I'm sharing with two other people. Let's just make sure I don't make a mess of this room. Yep, my roommate is laughing at me already. Alright. Whoa. Oh my gosh, what is this? This is blood glucose monitoring system. I think, right, some kind of divine god must be telling me, hey, you need to go and check your blood already. Make sure your blood pressure is, you know, intact. Just now the pharmacist actually say that my BP is a little bit high. I don't know, but I'm scared. This is the one that I'm very scared of. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyway, Contour Plus blood glucose monitoring system. Most probably gonna pass this to either my sister or my mom because I don't know how to use this. Clearly, I have no idea. Alright, next up we have Blackmores. Yay! I love Blackmores. I used to take their pills, but no longer now. Ooh, a little pouch. Ta-da! For you to fit all your vitamins inside. All your healthy products inside. Very nice, cool. Can use it now immediately. We have Good Morning Halia. Oh, it's Bijira and basically it's cereal-like. So it's like in the morning you can have breakfast with this if you don't feel like having breakfast. If you don't want a heavy breakfast, this will work too. This should be something healthy, I guess. Nutritious ginger grain beverage made from selected 18 types of premium grain with 5 colors with high quality bamboo ginger. Oh my gosh. Okay, ginger is not my thing, but I'm definitely down to try this one out, just to try. And then if I don't like it, I'll just pass it to my husband. Dexter gets everything when I don't like something. So next up we have Shampoo, Head and Shoulder Ultra Cool Menthol. I love anything menthol, anything cooling, absolutely love it. Just, I don't know if I can use Head and Shoulder or not because I do have dandruff problem myself and usually Head and Shoulders, it just doesn't really work for me. But we'll see how. Oh, okay, smell like Head and Shoulder shampoo for sure. We have Colgate toothbrush. Woohoo! I hope this is... Oh no, this is ultra soft. I need it to be medium. No! Slim Soft Colgate charcoal one. I actually almost wanted to buy this one, but they didn't have one in medium, which is unfortunate. Ooh, makeup time. Should I go into makeup first? Whoa, what is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is Rimmel Stay Matte. I'm sure they don't know what color am I. This is in Sand. I believe this is not my shade at all. Most probably I'll pass it to someone else. This is Stay Matte Liquid Mousse Foundation. Lightweight, shine control. Okay, cool. Next up we have Citra Natural Glowing UV White. What is this? Body lotion. Okay, hand and body lotion. I was looking for like an instruction. What is this? But it's a hand and body lotion. I'm gonna smell this. I've never seen this brand before. Oh, it smells good though. Smells of, I don't know what is pengkuang. Is it sengkuang? Oh my gosh, yeah, it is. I don't know what is it called in English, but I'll put it somewhere here. It has like, oh my god, oh my gosh. It has like green tea scent to it, so it's nice. Very, very nice. Next up, we have something to drink. Brand's Essence, I love Brand's Essence. Chaya? Oh my gosh, Habatus Sauda and Ginseng. Seimbang and Serpuna. Okay, it's all in BM. Okay, my BM, it's not that great. Okay, I don't know what is this. What is this for? It says to shake before you drink lah, okay? Basically, it's like ginseng. Can I just take it now? Maybe should I take it now? Usually, I drink my Brand's Essence warm. I like to like soak it in like a pot of warm water just to like warm it up. But I mean, if I'm here, might as well just try it out, right? Oh my gosh, how do I open this? Do I need to tear off anything? It's not opening. Oh, there you go. Oh, it smells definitely like ginseng though, but not very strong. Smells like chicken essence with ginseng. Oh, it's like a little bit of plummy kind of taste. It has like plum, like if you take the purple color one that's supposedly good for your eyes and stuff like that, it tastes pretty similar to that. It doesn't really have much of the chicken flavor. It's not bad. Let me just finish it up. It's like plum and a bit of ginseng, that's all. Finito. Next up, we have final 2 items, I think. One is the Kinohimitsu Hicox raspberry powder with mixed fruit and vegetables. I don't know what this is. No artificial coloring and flavoring, no preservatives, fruits and vegetables. Okay, I have no idea what this is. Oh, okay. I think this is like a powder kind of thing where you need to kind of mix it with water and then you drink it. Yeah, you're supposed to mix it with 150 ml of water and it's supposed to taste incredibly delicious. Let me have a look. I'm very curious about this. I've been taking a lot of like black seed oil and omega as well, fish oil, just for my eyes specifically. Another pharmacy actually told me to take black seed oil for my nose, so I'm gonna try that out. How many? Oh my gosh, there's only like 3 packets inside here. Big box, 3 packets inside here. So yeah, it's actually a powder kind of thing. So it has a, I would assume it's raspberry flavor. I hope it's gonna taste good. I don't know. This one I can't try it out until tomorrow. Okay, the last item. Oh, I know this. I have this one at home and we use this. We as in Dex and I, we use it all the time. Dex use it for his like down here and we use it for like down there as well. Our bikini lines. I rarely use this for my brow because it doesn't, actually not rarely, I don't use this for my brows at all because it doesn't work for my brows. But for here, for guys, to shave your janggot or your, what do you call that, beard, and also for the down below, it's actually amazing. It's battery operated, it lasts super long, it's super long lasting. It's actually a really good product. Highly recommend for those who want something to like, something small, something easy to bring around, don't need to recharge one. It's just an easy product to bring around lah, okay, and to use on the go even if you want to, even if you don't. This is a great product to have at home, okay? And also it has like comb, like you can choose like how long you want it to like shave. It's amazing. It's just an amazing overall product lah. Just not amazing enough for your brows as how it was intended to be. They at first sold it as like a brow kind of product, but it's really not good as a brow trimmer. But it's great as an electric trimmer, okay? It's great because they have 2 different kind of heads. This one and this one. We love to use this one for the down below, and then Dexter like to use this one for the here, this area. So it's just a very easy to use for all-rounder, husband, wife, kids, even if you want to, because it's not painful at all. It doesn't get stuck to your skin. This is really one of its amazing products. I highly recommend this. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video, I guess. That's pretty much it for the unboxing. Thank you so much, Guardian, for providing me with all these products and providing me all this stuff. So I guess this will be one of the, you know, box that you'll be getting, but I guess it's in a random item. It may not be the same item, so it'll be a mix of items. So this is one of the examples that you guys can find. So go and check it out. You know, it's super worth it. 10 ringgit and 19 ringgit for a box worth of like what, 120 ringgit and also 200 ringgit. It's crazy worth it. Okay, I'm not gonna talk anymore because I need to go and shower and we need to go for dinner, and then after that we have some more activities in the place itself, in this retreat. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!